Hello everyone, welcome to another video of SmartPoint Learning Series by Travelport Central and West Africa. In this video, we will learn to quote fare in SmartPoint. So the first entry here is FQ, which means fare quote, and it quotes the fare in the class or class combination reserved by you. If by chance fare is not available in the classes which you have reserved, then it will not be able to quote the fare. So here I have randomly reserved Y class in first segment and M class in second segment. So when I will type FQ, then I will be presented with the fare of the combination of these classes if it exists. So because the fare is available, system has quoted the fare in this combination. And here you may see the base fare amount, total taxes, and this is the total cost of ticket. You also get to see here other details apart from fare, like last date to purchase ticket or baggage allowance. Here Paris Singapore sector is having 1 piece baggage up to 23 kilo, and same goes for Singapore Paris sector. 1 piece baggage is allowed, which is up to 23 kilo, and cabin baggage is allowed up to 12 kilograms. To see the bifurcation of this fare, you can type F star Q, and here you may see the base fare amount in euro, its equivalent in CFA, then total taxes, and finally the total cost of ticket. Now we have other command which is FQBB, that is fare quote passed by. This command provides you the cheapest fare for your itinerary which is possible to book at the moment. So as you can see, it is showing that this is the cheapest fare available for this itinerary which can be booked right now, and fare is available in these classes which we have to rebook. Now to rebook these classes, we can either click here on FQBBK, or we can type the same command in terminal and then press enter. So here you can see our itinerary has been rebooked with the cheaper classes shown by FQBB. To save it, you will have to type R dot, then your initials, and then ER. Right now I will just ignore it, and we will see another command which is FQBA. As the name suggests, it shows you the cheapest possible fare of your itinerary irrespective of availability. That means it will just show you the cheapest possible fare of your itinerary no matter those classes are available to be reserved or not. The results shown by this command are for information purpose only. Now, there is also a possibility to quote fare as per different available classes. For example, if you want cheapest reservable fare for your itinerary in business class, then you will have to write plus plus minus BUSNS after FQBB, where BUSNS represents business class. Same way, if you want to check cheapest available fare for your itinerary irrespective of availability in business class, then write the same after FQBA. You may also use the same format for premium economy and first class as well. Just replace BUSNS with PREME for Premium Economy Class and FIRST for First Class. Now, one more command we have here is FQBB++-AB. This command provides you the cheapest reservable fare as per the cabins booked in different segments. For example, if passenger says that he wants outbound journey in business class and inbound journey in economy class, then you can book outbound journey in any business class and inbound journey in any economy class. Then type this command to get cheapest reservable fare in the combination of classes you have reserved. You may do the same for other class combinations as well. As you can see here, I have randomly booked I class in segment 1, which is a business class, and B class in segment 2, which is an economy class. Now, after typing FQBB++-AB, you can see that system has provided us cheapest reservable fare which is possible in this combination. Here, O is a cheaper business class and N is a cheaper economy class. You may also use FQBB++-AB to check the cheapest available fare in the class combination you have booked. And please note that if you are getting your desired fare with FQ, then you can just sign an AND transact to save the fare. But if you are using FQBB command even with the class modifier, then it is mandatory to type FQBBK to rebook the classes as per the cheaper fare and then sign an ER to save it. So that is all for part 1 of fare quote. See you in another video. Till then, keep practicing what you have learned in this video and please subscribe our YouTube channel.